Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has recently announced over on their 365 roadmap upcoming support for .eml, .oft, and .msg file types in the new Outlook for Windows, which basically means that when this support does roll out, you'll be able to view emails saved in these older legacy formats directly in the new Outlook for Windows. Now, this is that announcement by Microsoft. And we can see here that the rollout start is March of this year, 2024. And it's for desktop. So that's the new Outlook for Windows. And basically how this is all going to work when it does start rolling out is, according to the roadmap, you can open .eml, .oft, and .msg files in the new Outlook by dragging and dropping them into the actual reading pane, or by double clicking on them, or if there is one of those file types in your file explorer, you'll be able to right click and use the open with menu, and it'll be part of the options in the open with menu in the file explorer, which I think is a nice move in the right direction. Now, just a bit of a recap in case you don't know what these formats are and what they are all about. .eml format basically stores your email messages and attachments, and is very similar to your plain text file. And .oft format is more specific to Outlook itself and stores pre-formatted email templates with text formatting and attachments. And then .msg files in that format is more format specific to Microsoft Outlook. So that's specific to the email client itself. And what it does is basically it stores your email messages, which include things like your sender, body text attachments, and other message properties, and can be used to archive individual emails. So that support for those three older legacy file types, as per the Microsoft 365 roadmap, is going to be rolling out in March of this year, 2024, which I think is good news, because if you have emails stored, as an example, in older formats, such as those from a previous Outlook version, then you'll be able to now get the job done with those older legacy formats now within the new Outlook for Windows itself. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.